Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to make a homemade bacteria growth medium. Previously I have made a video about me trying to homemade TSB medium, and the result is not very good. So I tried several times with different recipes and process that I finally yield something good. This is an enrichment medium for non-fastidious bacteria. So today I'm going to demonstrate how to make it. I put the required material and equipment in the info bar down below, so please check it to prepare the things you need. Here I will make 200 ml of medium. If you want to make more, just doubling the amount in proportion. First, mix 8.5 gram of casein powder and 1.5 gram of soybean protein powder. Next, add 200 ml of water and mix it well. After that, you want to adjust the pH value to around 4 using some acid. Here I use hydrochloric acid, but you can use acetic acid as well. After that, add 2 capsules of digestive enzyme. The enzyme I use is this. It works in acidic environment, so that's why we have to adjust the pH value. The digestion process will take about 16 to 20 hours. Put the bottle in a warm place around 86 to 98 Fahrenheit with constant shaking for best reaction result. You don't need a shaker like me to shake the bottle, just think of anything you can use to keep the bottle moving. After digestion, this looks quite different than the start. Now use a kitchen filter to filter it into a small pot. Now add beer yeast to provide 1 gram of protein. You have to adjust the amount of yeast according to the yeast you use. I use this one, which will provide 1 gram of protein for every 2 grams of yeast. So I add 2 grams. After this, add 1 gram of sodium chloride and 0.5 gram of Dibasic potassium phosphate or potassium hydrogen phosphate into the mix and heat the content. The heating process will release the nutrient inside the yeast and precipitate insoluble particle. Let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes and cool down. After cool, adjust pH value to 7.3 to 7.5. Now subject it to low speed centrifuge to get rid of the insoluble particle. I use 4000 RPM 30 minute centrifuge condition. Low speed centrifuge is a very important equipment for DIY microbiology, so I suggest you to go get one. After centrifuge, filter the medium into a measuring cylinder using a paper towel, and add water to reach 200 ml. Add 0.5 gram of glucose and autoclave the medium, and we're done. Those are the medium I made. They look darker but still clear, although still have some tiny precipitants in it. Now I will test those medium compared with TSB medium. The bacteria I will be using are S. aureus, E. coli, A. baumannii, and E. faeciens. After 8 hours of growth curve test, the blue curve is the TSB medium. You can see all the other curves, which represent homemade medium, perform quite well this time. Although they grow a little bit slower at the beginning, they can all catch up. Same result here even when I compare them with a previous TSB growth curve. I think this homemade medium recipe is suitable for culturing non-fastidious bacteria. If you want to make it into a solid medium, just add agar into it. It works just fine. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.